Hi there, I'm Chelsea, and I'm going to show you how to generate a portfolio of your ultrasound images using the SonoSim Performance Tracker. This feature allows you to build a portfolio that demonstrates ultrasound experience and proficiency, which can be used to supplement resumes and applications for jobs and graduate medical programs. On the Performance Tracker student portal homepage, click on the Generate ePortfolio icon under My Performance. Here you can set the filter for the modules that you'd like to generate an ePortfolio report for. Click the checkboxes for the desired modules. You can also search for modules using the search bar and then select the checkbox. When you are ready with your filters and selections, click on Generate ePortfolio. Next, click on Download Report. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any remaining questions, please contact our SonoSim support team at 855-873-7666 or by emailing support@sonosim.com.